Hey guys, Keith again with Bulletproof RC. This is my Losi rock ray, and I wanted to bring you guys up to date on what I've done since my last video. The only thing I've done upgrade wise to this vehicle since then is I went over to JEC Racing and picked up a set of stainless steel lower trailing arms. Now, this is not my first experience with JEC Racing. My first experience was on my Axial Yeti, which also has stainless steel trailing arms on it from JEC. This is my second rock ray, and I had these same trailing arms on my first rock ray. I've also put them on my Traxxas UDR, and I can tell you that right now the only lower trailing arms that I will buy for any vehicle moving forward is JEC Racing. And if he don't make them for the vehicle you have, just ask him. That's what I did with the Traxxas UDR, and he made them, and they're available now. So friends, go over to JEC Racing. These things are completely bomb-proof. I don't support companies I don't believe in. I do believe in JEC Racing. These things have a lifetime warranty. You're not going to break them. I guarantee he's never had to replace a set because they are literally indestructible. Put a set of these on the bottom of your car. You don't have to worry about them getting pitted and scratched up like you do with aluminum, or even bent like a set of Losi trailing arms I had. Friend, these guys are awesome. You will need a set of Traxxas rod ends. There's your part number 5347, which is some of the best rod ends on the planet. Put those on there. You're good to go. And the only thing you'll ever have to do maybe is replace a rod end down the road, but you know what? You get 10 with this set, so you're good to go there. And just look at those things. They're absolutely beautiful. Now when I installed them, I did go ahead and install some Losi link mounts in aluminum just to make sure everything is bulletproof. And very happy with these things. Not my first experience with JEC, won't be my last. Go get you some JEC lower trailing arms. That'll do it for this video, guys. Shameless plug, but I support JEC. I believe in him. Have a good day, guys.